I mean, not like these 2 little baskets are going to do anything.
Where's my big one?
I just grabbed what I could.
We got something in here.
How far you think they go?
Oh, this whole bed's full of them like this. We'll do the rest tomorrow, but we know we're pretty good. Bumper crop this year.
You done?
Yeah, for now.
That was one little section.
That was not, yeah, that was 3 square foot maybe.
All right, I'll get back to picking peppers.